After the FDA announced a ban on red dye number 3 in food, some doctors hope this makes many people focus more on their diets and what they're consuming.
Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer shows us why this dye is on the chopping block and what experts say could be even more harmful to your health.
The saying goes, you are what you eat. For Brian Watson, a personal trainer and nutritionist in Tampa,
I'm very meticulous on what I'm putting into my body.
Those are words to live by.
So I'm not one of those extremists like no carbs or only meat. I've always believed in preaching balance.
Erin Stern has a similar outlook as an international fitness champion.
It's absolutely every single molecule in the body comes from what we eat.
And they're hopeful more Americans will realize this, especially with the federal government potentially cracking down on harmful ingredients. This week, the FDA banned red dye number 3. The food coloring used in products like candies, snacks, and medicines has been linked to cancer in lab rats and has been banned in cosmetics for decades.
I feel like this is going to be the catalyst and what we need to revamping the entire system.
Europe has kind of led the way in banning more and more artificial dyes.
Dr. Wright, USF Nutrition Programs Director, believes the FDA may soon do the same. She hopes the national spotlight on health forces consumers to look closer at food labels and consider limiting items that can be even more harmful. That includes highly processed foods, particularly meats like hot dogs, sausages, and cold cuts. She says study after study have found these products can contribute to cancer, dementia, and even a shorter lifespan.
It's the ultra processing that is increasing the health risk. And, and it's really a call for us as consumers to get back to a simpler diet.
Dr. Wright's tip to shopping healthier: stick to the perimeter of the grocery stores.
That's where you find the fresh fruits and vegetables. You have the fresh proteins, the fresh dairy.
It's also where you're most likely to find fitness-focused people like Watson. He believes those aisles are going to get more crowded.
I love to see that people are becoming a lot smarter, more health conscious of what they are putting in their body. So it's kind of a revolution we're seeing.
That could lead to a healthier American public. In Tampa, Aaron Mesmer, Fox 13 News.
When it comes to choosing healthier foods, experts also agree the shorter the ingredient list, the better. Meanwhile, food manufacturers will have until 2027 to remove red dye number 3 from their products. Scientists have not determined if the dye causes cancer when consumed by humans.